Hey guys, here with another chip channel chip review. Today we got rice crackers, sesame rice crackers. I don't know the brand, doesn't appear to be on the package. And alright, here we go. As you can see, they're pretty nice. One thing I really like about them is that you can kind of play them like the castanets. So that's going to help them in the long run. That's going to give them a good score. I can assure you that. A bit of residue. That's okay. That won't harm too much. Nice scrape. Really nice scrape, actually. Yeah. This one too. They're all pretty good. Yeah, they're all pretty good for the scrape. We're gonna go ahead and try a little pen push. That one, ooh, they move nicely. I'll give them that. I've never had a chip move like this. Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice. All right, now hold on a minute. We're gonna try the spread test in just a moment. Damn. All right, here we are with our bread. I got a good feeling about this one. I really do. All right, and here we go. It's moving for sure, but I wouldn't really call that a spread. Yeah, it's again. I'll give the chip that. It certainly moves nicely. No, and it's not an angle thing either. I'm really trying all the angles. No. And other side of the knife. No, that didn't help. Sometimes it does. Okay, yeah, I can really, because it moves so nicely, I can give it a 5 for that one, but no, I can't do any better. Five's gonna be it for that one today, I'm afraid. All right, next we'll do the drop test. Okay, that's pretty cool. Nice. You know, I'll do that. I don't know if you guys are seeing that, but that's pretty nice. And if I'm not mistaken, yeah, that's exactly what I thought was gonna happen. All right, here's the specific weight. Like maybe that. Maybe a bit less. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And thanks for watching.